In this video, I will share with you how to import contacts list in GoHighLevel. So step one, log into your GoHighLevel account, then switch to the sub-account that you want to import contacts list into. Now click on, or wait a moment for in order to fully load the page. Now go to contacts. As you see in my contacts, I only have one contact. Now to import, simply click on this import button. And here select the objects to start importing, for example, contacts list, or contains list of all leads, their details and specifications, or opportunities like list of all deals, their stages, statuses, and pipeline progress. I will make sure to select contacts and click on next. Here you can click here to upload or drag and drop your contacts list that you want to import. And of course, you can download a simply file. Let's open it. And this is a simply file that you can use to create your own contact list to import manually. So I will click on upload, locate the file that I want to import. This is my contacts list. Double click it. Now it is uploaded here and click on next. Here make sure that the phone numbers are well connected to the field, or is connected to the correct field. Here phone, the emails are connected to the email, same thing. And if something, for example, the profile or the contact creation date is in the imported list, but you don't need, or you can't find it here in this list, you can select unmap or skip the unmapped fields. After that, click on import. Here you can review your data and the mapping settings before starting to import to ensure accuracy and completeness. You can create a smart list for new contacts created by the import and give it a name here. You can add imported contacts to a workflow, select the workflow from here, or add specific tags or add tags to the imported contacts. For example, those contacts are imported manually. After that, click on I confirm all contacts in this import have consented to hear from us, and click on start bulk import and wait a moment. Import started. Your import is running in the background, so you can continue working while we process your task. As you see, I think the import is completed. And once the import is completed, you will be automatically redirected to the same contacts list with your new contacts. And this is how to import contacts list in GoHighLevel. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.